What is coffee fermentation? What is and how it is and its effect coffee quality or not? Let's know in this video. Fermentation is a reaction that occurs when sugar and water are combined. In the case of coffee, fermentation happens when coffee cherries which are full of sugar are heated. The fermentation process can either enhance or ruin the flavor of the coffee. It is major thing. It can be done in two ways: aerobic with oxygen or anaerobic without oxygen. Anaerobic fermentation is simple to manure while aerobic fermentation is more laborious. At us coffee they experiment with both aerobic and anaerobic. How does fermented coffee affect quality of coffee? It can lead to moldy or chemical flavor if not controlled properly. However, when done successfully, it can enhance a coffee best attributes. Fermentation can emphasize the range of flavor in the coffee, adding notes, fruits, caramel, and chocolate. It can also emphasize acidity, aroma, dimity some cases. However, extended fermentation can result in a loss of sensory quality. Exaggerated fermentation coffee happens. Natural process coffee are sent to fermentation tanks while the fermentation time can vary